Hello, I'm Nicolette. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to draw some famous cartoon characters. So today I'm going to draw Bart Simpson. So it's a little bit different. I need to open my computer, then I can see. There we go. I need to copy off him. Right. What's my little sausage dog up to? She's nicked something. Toilet roll holder. That's a good point. I made some cat and dog toys. Oh, you can have a look for that actually on my Facebook page showing you how to make DIY cat and dog toys. So let's get started. I'm going to start here because I've done this before by accident. I kept missing his eyebrow, so I'm going to do that first this time. And then I'm going to draw up to around there. Now, to make it easy, I need to go to about here. So I'm going to draw this side first. I might actually draw the ear for you to be able to have a reference point. So there, I'm going to draw his ear. Now, he's got a different ear. You have to, this usually, a lot of cartoonists draw an ear with a circle and a circle in the middle. I've noticed Bart Simpson has got a different ear. It's a bit like a J. Like he's got a creased ear. So now I need to connect this line. What are you doing, Annie? She's being naughty. Should have shut the door, shouldn't I? If you notice, my hand dragged there a little bit. So if you put a card or a piece of paper underneath, what are you doing, cheeky girl? It just helps you to slide your hand. So I'm just going to, so it just slides along then. I usually have a card and I don't know where I put it. So now I'm going to move that. That was just to show you. Now we need to do his spikes. So they're going to go roundish a little bit to give him the shape of his head. I'm sorry that we have got shadows today. It is a very dull day. So what I've had to do is I've had to improvise with my stuff and put a lamp on top instead of having some good natural sunlight. I have to make my I've not got a camera stand, so I have to use the grate out of the oven and 2 boxes at each side and balance my phone on top. So if you want to do aerial view videos, you can do that. So there we go. I've remembered to do his eyebrow. Now usually I start with that eye so I don't smudge, but this time I'm going to have to do a little bit different, and I'll explain why. I'm going to start with this eye first. Okay. Like that. And I'm going to just stop for a minute to give that a bit of time to dry. So the reason I started to do that eye is the other eye is going to come out from behind here. And so is the nose. Okay, so the nose, let's start here. Try not to touch that bit now. Possibly to around there. And then this is going to come to here. I might draw it that way actually, then I can see where I am going. There we go. Right, now, as you can see, this is here. Imagine a line coming along here and meeting to around there. You can always use a ruler to get your reference point. So it's going to come in. Now I'm going to try and stop around here for his... In fact, I'll draw that first so you can see where you're going to stop. She's broken, Annie. What are you doing? I'm going to go and have to get her. She's being naughty. Come here. Come here. Come here, you. Yeah. Let's see if you can see her. Here she is. This is trouble. Aren't you? Hey, this is trouble. I am sorry about that. You can see videos of her on my YouTube page. She went to the beach. What was it? When did we go to the beach? Was it yesterday? Day before. Went to the beach and she loves it. We've got another dog now as well from Serbia. So just met that line there. So they absolutely adore it on the beach. So let's have a look. Where shall I put his eyes? Possibly. I don't want to miss drawing his pupils out. Done that before. So that's one. One is just above his nose. Some people leave the eyes like that to give a shine, but Bart Simpson's on this picture are coloured in. So I will colour mine in. So there we go. Teeth, let's have a look. Oh, he's got quite a big lip. His teeth must start from possibly here. Okay. And then he's got his lip. Comes around. Okay, and then this needs to join to there. Okay, now I need a little loop. Join to around there. And that needs to connect now to his ear. As you can see, it's coming along here and connecting to there. Teeth, straight lines. Nice and easy them ones, aren't they, when it's just straight lines. Okay, a little bit difficult bit now coming up is his top. I have to move it up there a bit because I'm sorry, I've got a ridge in my table there. Not the best table to draw off, but anyway. So I'm going to come down here. My picture's gone enough. There we go. Need to see it to copy it. Not used to this. Used to drawing my own. That's his tummy coming in. Now the sleeve, I'm going to do it from here. I'm going to cut it slightly rounded and join it to his lip. Now to give it a 3D, it's going to go rounded again. If it was straight, it wouldn't look like the curve of his arm. So then his arm's going to come in here. Now the other side. So it's coming down for around there from his neck. And then I'm going to come round to around there. Now it still doesn't look right. Can you figure out why this bit doesn't look right? We need to make it look like his arm's coming in here. So to do that, just have a line. So that's where his arm comes out and that's where it's connected to his body. And I think I might have actually done it this time without forgetting his eyebrow. There we go. So thank you for watching. Please feel free to suggest cartoon draw-alongs. I will try and do them if I get time. So there is a cartoon workshop course which you will find in my playlist. There's possibly over 70 videos in there. That'll keep you busy. And I'm going to keep doing more. So subscribe to my channel and you'll get the notifications of new uploads. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give it a like. That helps my algorithms reach people who also enjoy them. So sorry about the intrusions of the sausage dog. She always likes to come on my videos. No, thank you for watching. Bye bye.